Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete all messages on Discord. First, open the Discord application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, select the server where you want to delete messages. To delete messages one by one, find the message you want to delete. Click on the three dots icon next to that message, which will open a menu. From this menu, select Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Delete again to confirm the action. If you want to speed up this process, you can press the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking on the Delete icon. This will bypass the confirmation pop-up, making it quicker to delete multiple messages. If you want to delete all messages in a channel, you can do it by duplicating the channel. Navigate to the channel header on the left side of the Discord application. Right-click on the channel you want to clear. In the menu that appears, select Duplicate Channel and give the duplicate channel the same name as the original one. After creating the duplicate channel, right-click on the original channel, select Delete Channel from the menu, and then click on Delete Channel again to confirm. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.